Welcome to JH. Today we're looking at Smiling Mind, that mindfulness and meditation app you've probably seen floating around the internet while you were busy doom scrolling. The real question is it actually legit or just another digital placebo? First off, it's available on the Google Play Store, which is a pretty big deal since apps there have to pass safety and quality checks. Because we all know Google is the ultimate gatekeeper of morality and quality, this gives us some immediate peace of mind that it's not just some random, sketchy download. It's been approved and tested for reliability, so you can breathe a sigh of relief before the app even tells you to. Next, let's look at their online presence. They aren't just hiding in a digital basement. They're active on Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn. On Facebook alone, they've got over 120,000 followers, which is a lot of people supposedly finding their inner zen. This level of engagement suggests people actually trust the brand and aren't just clicking follow and forgetting it exists. Even better, they don't hide behind a screen when things go wrong. They provide an actual email, a phone number, and even a physical address. It's a major green flag in an era where most tech support is just a chatbot telling you to restart your life. You're not just shouting your anxieties into a void. There are real ways to reach out. Speaking of being real, their website actually lists the humans behind the curtain, including CEO Sarah Rowe and her team of qualified professionals. It's refreshing to see actual experts instead of just a bunch of AI bots pretending to care about your mental well-being. Now, about those reviews. It boasts a 4.6-star rating on the Play Store from over 8,000 users. While some of those reviews feel a bit too polished, like they were written by people who have already reached peak enlightenment or perhaps just have very supportive mothers, we decided to dig deeper. Trustpilot was surprisingly empty, but Reddit, the land of brutal honesty, gives it some solid love. Users on Reddit appreciate the quality content and the fact that the best features are actually free. While many people eventually realize they can just sit in silence for free without an app, Smiling Mind remains one of the best tools to get you there. The final verdict? The app definitely checks out. It's transparent, run by real people you can actually look up, and it's rooted in actual psychology rather than just vibes. It works for both kids and adults and won't bombard you with ads or aggressive upsells. If you're looking for a legitimate way to find some calm, give Smiling Mind a try. That's it for today. If this helped you find your center, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more honest reviews. Catch you in the next one.